How to find products on PandaBuy. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see the easiest way to find products on PandaBuy. So for that, just simply open up Google and search for fashion wraps. After that, open up its Reddit's link, and this is actually the first link. Just open it up and this is where it will lead you to. After that, you can search for any product over here that you want to buy, and let me take the example of that I want to purchase Jordan. So I will just type Jordan over here and click enter. After that, I will see this list of different Jordans. I will just simply click on this option of, suppose I want to buy this one, so I will just open it up and this is where it will take me. And now when you scroll down, you will be able to see the PandaBuy's link. Just open it up and this is how it will appear, and this way you will be able to find each and every product that you want to purchase or buy, and these are absolutely authentic and great. You can also verify this quality when the product reaches the PandaBuy's warehouse. So this way you would be able to find good products, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.